Okay, I'm showing how to trim his beard. If the length is good, you can just trim it freehand. Whatever you think is extra, cut the excess hair. Round. Then you come to the side, just round it with the shape of face. And then if he's asking for less hair and thinner, just with a comb it, and whatever you see the extra hair, just cut it. Comb it, bring it up, cut. Comb it. If you see the straight line, whatever is extra, cut. Here, comb it up, see? It's not straight, so cut the extra hair. Comb it up, just make it straight line. Comb it up, straight line. Comb it up, straight line. Same thing on underneath. You can just comb it like this. If you see any hair, cut it. Comb it like this. If you see extra hair, just cut it. This way you can have a very good trim on beard. Thank you for watching.